So yesterday we have discussed about how to represent galvanic cell, how to calculate the standard, how to calculate electrode potential, that is EMF of the cell, and we have discussed about standard hydrogen electrode. Now today I have to explain about that is electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. So next one is chemical series. So electrochemical series means standard half cells to arrange in order of the decreasing standard electrode potential. So arrangement of standard half cells in order to the decreasing standard electrode potential, that is called what electrochemical series. So the arrangement of standard half cells, in order to they decrease in decreasing their electrode potential, that is standard electrode potential. Electrode potential. That is called what electrochemical series. Generally, how they are arranged means here. First, that is positive electrode potential half cells this is next hydrogen, that is standard hydrogen electrode, standard hydrogen electrode. Here down of the table, that is negative electrode potential half cells. So here see, keep remember one point, when the half cells are arranged from positive to negative, this is called decreasing order. When the half cells are containing more negative, these are the more reducing power. When the element half cells are the containing more positive electrode potential, these are what more oxidizing power. So when positive values increases, the oxidizing power is increases. When negative values decreases, that is what radiation power is increases. So this is about what electrochemical series. Right. So this is the elements half cells are arranged from positive value to 0 and negative value. So here we have to write. So half cells are arranged from top to bottom. in their decreasing potential, that is what EMF. If the elements of cells are containing positive value, if standard that is electrode potential is positive, then it is more reducing power, means more, that is what, oxidizing power than hydrogen, more oxidizing power than hydrogen, more oxidizing than hydrogen. If negative value increases means what? More reducing power. That is about electrochemical series. So next one is Nernst equation. Is very important. Nernst equation. What is Nernst equation? So Nernst equation is to give the relation between standard electrode potential to the concentration of the solutions. That is called what? Nernst equation. So Nernst equation. The equation which gives relation between that is electrode potential to the concentration of ions in electrolytic. Concentration of ions. This is called what? Nernst equation. If we take M plus N ion aqueous form, gain N electrons is converted into M solid state. So for this one, how to write Nernst equation? So Nernst equation, E M plus N means E means what here? Electrode potential. So M plus M, this is electrode potential, E is equal to E naught M plus N M minus RT by NF Ln product by reactant means what? M by, that is M plus N. But for solids M is equal to 1, the concentration is equal to 1. So that is why I have to write what? E M couple is equal to E naught M plus N by M minus RT by NF Ln 1 by M plus ion concentration. Now this Ln is converted to natural logs, that is 2.303 log. Right. Now we can recognize E m plus n by m is equal to E naught m plus n by m minus here 2.303. Here R value is 8.314 into T is equal to 298 Kelvin temperature by N F is equal to Faraday. F is equal to Faraday, that is 96,500. Log 1 by m plus ion concentration. M plus ion concentration. Now what will next one? What step? That is E m plus n m. This is called E coupled. E is equal to E naught m plus n by m minus the total value is 0.0591 by n. Its total value is 0.059 by n log 1 by m plus n ion concentration. M plus ion concentration. So this is above equation is called Nernst equation. Above equation is called Nernst equation. Here see where E m plus n m is equal to electrode potential. Here E naught mn plus m is equal to, that is called standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential. So this is Nernst equation. So for Nernst equation, for metals how to write, for non-metals how to write, for metals, for non-metals. So how to write? So this is Nernst equation. If they are going to ask explain Nernst equation, means you have to write up here. So for calculation, for metal electrode, if you want to calculate the electrode potential of metals, electrode potential of non-metals, then what is the formula? So here, right, see, what is the formula for Nernst equation for metals and non-metals? So Nernst equation for metals, next one is Nernst equation for metal, that is E is equal to E cell is equal to E naught cell. For metals you have to take positive 0.0591 by n log m plus ion concentration. This is metal. For non-metal, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus, you have to take 0.0591 by n log, that is m plus ion concentration. Only symbols are changes, remaining same. For metals you have to take positive, for non-metals you have to take negative. So this is Nernst equation. Next one is Nernst equation for galvanic cell. So how to express Nernst equation for galvanic cell? So Nernst equation for galvanic cell, see here how to do. Nernst equation for galvanic cell. Galvanic cell. Then how to write? You know very well, that is galvanic cell means anode is zinc half cell, cathode is copper half cell. So for anode that is Zn is gives right, it is a solid in state, Zn plus 2 plus 2e minus. For this one, E Zn zinc couples Zn is equal to E naught zinc couple minus, write 0.0591 by n, 591 n, that is log 1 by Zn plus 2 ion concentration. Zn plus 2 ion concentration. For cathode, that is Cu plus 2 gain 2 electrons, it gives what? Cu. It is a aqueous state. This is also aqueous state. Now it is solid in state. Now it is what? Copper metal. For this one, E couple Cu plus 2 by Cu is equal to E naught Cu plus 2 Cu minus 0.0591 by n log 1 by Cu plus ion concentration. Cu plus ion concentration. You know electrode potential EMF or electrode potential. So that is you can write as what? E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. E cathode minus E anode. So now E cell is equal to E cathode means what? This is cathode. Now it is anode. Now you can write as what? E naught Cu plus 2 Cu minus 0.0591 by n log 1 by Cu plus 2 ion concentration. This is what? Cathode. Now here minus is there, no? Minus. Now we have to write this anode part. Anode part is what? E naught zinc couple Zn plus 2 zinc. Now it is minus. Minus what? Plus 0.0591 by n log 1 by Zn plus 2 ion concentration. Got it? Now E cell is equal to, here E naught terms you have to write one place. Now this one is you have to write here. So E naught Cu plus 2 Cu, this is copper couple standard electrode potential. Here you have to write zinc couple. Okay na? Minus, it is minus form, no? Minus E naught Zn plus 2 by Zn. Right? Now here minus is there. Minus 0.0591 by n. Now log terms are you have to write here. Log 1 by Cu plus 2 plus log plus remaining what plus 0.0591 by n log 1 by Zn plus ion concentration. Zn plus ion concentration. Now if you take 0.059 by n common from both, now we can recognize what. So next one is E cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode is nothing but what? E naught cell. E naught standard electrode potential is equal to what? Standard electrode potential of cathode minus standard electrode potential of anode. Now this is you can written as what? E naught cell. E naught cell. By both you have to write what? E naught cell. Now here minus is there, no? Minus. Now we have to take 0.591 common from both. 0.0591 n. If we take common means log 1 by plus 2 plus log 1 by plus 2. Now it is what? Log. We can written as, that is what? Log 1 by Cu plus 2 plus log 1 by Zn plus 2. Now we can written as E cell E is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n. Now it is log A plus log B formula. Now we can written as what? Log A by B 1 by Cu plus 2 by 1 by Zn plus 2. Now you can written as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n. You can written as what? 1 by Cu plus 2 by 1 by Zn plus 2 means what? Now it is shifted. So that is log Zn plus 2 by Cu plus 2. Zn plus 2 by Cu plus 2. So this is what? Nearest equation for galvanic cell. Nearest equation for galvanic cell. So this is nearest equation, and how to calculate electrode potential of galvanic cell by using nearest equation. This is right. So for general equation, how to write electrode potential means nearest equation. So this is for general reaction. If we take general reaction, then how to write nearest equation. Nearest equation for general right. For example, AA plus BB is gives rise to CC plus DD. This is the equation. For this one, you have to write general, means how to express nearest equation for this kind of reactions. That is, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by n log C to the power of C and D power of D by A power of A and B power of B. This is. So that means what? It is productive, this is reactant. Now E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log product by reactant. Product by reactant. Otherwise, you have to write oxidizing and reducing form. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log oxidizing by reducing. So this is Nernst equation, formulas and relatives. Okay. Tomorrow I have to going to explain what is the relation between Nernst equation, equilibrium constant, and how to calculate del, that is Gibbs energy. Gibbs energy means Gibbs energy related to Nernst equation. Right. Thank you so much.